Hello. Welcome to Programming Academic channel. Yesterday we studied how to change background color, right? Guys, you remember? So if you not seen my video, so go watch on yesterday I post video that how to change background color. And today we are going to study a new chapter, a new lesson. Okay, so today our lesson is how to change hiding text color. You have hiding on your purse, right? How to change your text color. And then also I'm going to teach you today. I'm teaching you two topics, one for hiding text and one for paragraph. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so yesterday we changed how to change background color. You remember here, this is the way you change the background color, and this is without CSA. Okay, so CSA we are going to make another full stack for CSA. So that's not now, but for simple things, for easy way, you can change the background color in this way. You don't need to CSA. Okay, so let's go to change hiding tags. Hiding tags. Let's change to H1. Okay. H1 H1 style color. Okay, let's go to color blue. Okay, the color blue. Okay, color blue. Okay, we put here on H1 text, right? So we want to change the text color, right? So look, this is the way how to you put your code, and then we want to change the text, right? Text I called I am normal. Okay, normal is to change blue. Okay, this text it will be blue. Okay, this is the way how to change in the H1 color. So all the H it works in the same way if you want to change all the pages. So depending your website how it looks like. Okay, this is without CSS. Okay, then let's go to change our next topic for paragraph. How to change paragraph text and the color. Okay, I go to P style. It's very easy style color. Okay, style color. And just say brown. Okay, brown. You see, it's brown. And then close the text. So um brown. So when this is saved, it will give you the brown color. Okay, this in the paragraph. All your text color, it will be right here. It looks brown. Okay, so your okay. So if you not see the how the brown look like, this is the color of brown. Okay, and also yeah, I think this is enough. So we are going to make another video to how to change the size, font size, and okay, so on. Okay, and yeah, thank you. See you on my next cloth.